Lesson 8, Session 4, page 184. Problem number 2. So what I want you to do is try to figure out these problems on your own. I will go ahead and read them to you, and you can stop and solve them. And then I want you to come back and look at how I added evidence to my paper, and then I want you to add evidence to yours if there is more evidence on my paper. Remember, you can always stop and go back in the videos. So problem number 2, you can circle the information that you know. 6 pears and 8 oranges. How many more oranges are there? 8 minus 6 equals blank. Blank more oranges. 6 pears and 8 oranges. How many more oranges are there? 8 minus 6 equals blank. Blank more oranges. Go ahead and solve and stop the video. Number 3. 9 balloon stickers and 4 star stickers. How many more balloon stickers are there? 9 minus blank equals blank. Blank more balloon stickers. 9 balloon stickers and 4 star stickers. How many more balloon stickers are there? 9 minus blank equals blank. Blank more balloon stickers. And go ahead and solve. Number 4, 7 soccer balls and 2 footballs. How many more soccer balls are there? Blank minus blank equals blank. Blank more soccer balls. 7 soccer balls and 2 footballs. How many more soccer balls are there? Blank minus blank equals blank. Blank more soccer balls. Okay, now I want you to follow along and look at the work that you have completed already and compare my work to your work, and make sure that you make some changes if you need to, or add additional information. Number 2, 6 pears and 8 oranges. How many more oranges are there? Are we going to add? Are they wanting to know 6 pears and 8 oranges more altogether? Or how many more oranges are there than pears? Oh, than pears. That's not written in there, but that's what they're doing. They're comparing oranges and pears. So when we compare to subtract, we are going to be looking for the difference between oranges and pears. So we know there are 6 pears, 8 oranges. We're going to compare the difference. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. These must be my oranges. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. So orange, okay? And these are going to be my pears. 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 Okay, and it says there's 6 pears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Did you see something that I did weird? I did not record my evidence underneath and line them up with each dot. It's really important that you line them up, because you can skip over a piece of evidence. That's really important. So now I have to be extra careful to draw my lines. So orange to a pear, orange to a pear, orange to a pear. See how they're not lined up? I could have easily gone here to here and missed a dot. I'm going to go from pear to an orange, pear to an orange, pear to an orange. See how that looks terrible? I need to line them up nicely. Okay, so now I need to look and see how many more oranges there are, or how many fewer pears there are. Notice my answer is going to be the same. There are 2 more oranges, but there are 2 fewer pears. So you can see that I already have my answer, but I like to have my evidence and compare my numbers. So I'm comparing the numbers 6 and 8, and 8 and 6. Which number is greater? Right, 8 is greater. It has more, so I'm going to give it 2 dots and 2 dots. Which one is fewer? 6 gets 1 dot, and I'm going to connect. Okay, and 6 is fewer, gets 1 dot, so I'm going to connect those dots. When I have 1 on the left and 2 on the right, it says 6 is fewer than 8, and 8 is greater than 6, right? So this is how I'm going to use those 2 numbers to set up a subtraction problem. When you subtract, you start with the greatest number, which is the whole, okay? So if I have my whole and a part and a part, the greatest number between 8 and 6 is the number 8, so I have to put it in the whole. The number 6 is going to be the part that we know. We know since the first day of school that we always count on from the part, or we don't have to, but you can. It's much easier to count on from the part we know up to the whole. So do that with me. 6, 7, 8. How many is that? 2. Did we get the same answer? 2 more, 2 fewer, 2 more oranges. Okay? Number 3. 9 balloon stickers and 4 star stickers. How many more balloon stickers are there? So we're going to compare the more balloon stickers to the star stickers. So we have the number 9 and the number 4. 9, 4, 4, 9. Which number is greater? 9 is greater, so I'm giving it 2 dots. 9 is greater, it gets 2 dots. 4 is less than, so that it gets 1 dot. 1 dot. When I have 2 dots on the left side, this side means more, right? There are more dots here than there are here. So 9 is greater than 4. 4 is fewer or less than 9. And that's what I'm going to use to set up my part whole. Whole, and which number did we say was the greatest number? Right, 9. So we have to put the 9. 9 is greater than 4, so that is going to be my whole. 4 is the part that we know. Blank is the part we don't know. Okay? So we can count on from the part we know up to the whole. Do that with me. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many dots? 5 dots, right? Whole minus a part equals a part. My whole is 9. What's the part that I know? 4. What's the part I didn't know? We count on from the part we did know, that we do know, up to the whole. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I got 5, the same as this. Okay, 5 more. Here I have 9 stickers. I need to compare it to the number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, yellow. Let's see, these are balloons and these are stars. Balloon, stars, balloon, stars, balloon, stars, balloon, stars. How many more balloons? There are 5 more balloons. How many fewer balloons? There are 5 fewer balloons. And the last problem, number 4, says 7 soccer balls and 2 footballs. How many more soccer balls are there? So we're comparing soccer balls to footballs. Okay, we're not putting them together. We're seeing which one is more and which one is less, right? We can start with our part, whole if we want. Okay, whole, part, part. We can make an addition problem if we want. This is whole minus a part equals a part. This is a part plus a part equals a whole. Okay. 7 soccer balls and 2 footballs. This is my bigger box, so I'm going to put the bigger number. Between 2 and 7, which number is bigger? Right, 7 is bigger. So 7 and 2. 7 is bigger, it gets 2 dots. 2 is less, it gets 1. Right? 2, 7. 7 is bigger, it gets 2. 2 is fewer, it gets 1. 7 is, 2 is on this side, more than 2. 2 is, 1 dot is less than 7, right? So I'm going to put my 7 on top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And these are my soccer balls. Now I need my footballs. 1, 2. Top to bottom, top to bottom. How many more soccer balls are there? All of those. You have to count it. How many fewer footballs? All of them that are not down here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer is the same, right? So when we're using our part, whole, we know that we put the greatest number in the whole, which is 7. 2 was the part we knew. Count on from the part we know up to the whole. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many is that? 5. Now I have my puzzle to fill in. Whole minus a part equals a part. The whole is 7 minus 2 equals 5. You can count on from the part you know up to the whole. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many dots? 5. Same answer. What were my 2 parts? 2 plus blank equals, what was the whole? 7. Count on from the part you know up to the whole. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. My answer is 5. 5 more soccer balls.